Great news for nerds and game lovers. Dubai has introduced the Dubai Gaming Visa. It is a specialized long-term residency permit to attract professionals in the gaming industry, including developers, content creators, and e-sport athletes. But who can get it? How to get it? What to do? No worries. I'm Max from the Visa Library, and today I want to tell you how to get a Dubai Gaming Visa. Like, subscribe, and let's go. Let me start with the eligibility criteria for the Dubai Gaming Visa. Number 1, applicants must be at least 25 years of age. Younger applicants may not be eligible because the visa is designed to support seasoned individuals with a strong background in the field. Number 2, applicants should show a strong background in the gaming industry. Relevant experience includes work in game development, content creation, e-sports, game design, programming, or digital media focused on gaming. Roles in project management within gaming, leading game development teams, or building a personal brand as a gaming influencer also supports a strong application. Applicants should also provide clear proof of their contributions, such as portfolios, resumes, and records of achievement to demonstrate these criteria. Number 3, actually, it is not strictly required, but having relevant education in gaming or digital content fields is a plus. This can be degrees in computer science, digital media, interactive design, software engineering, or certifications in game development and animation. Specialized training or certifications in gaming technology, virtual reality or VR, or augmented reality are also valuable. Now, let's go to the application process. Step 1, obtain the creative and talented accreditation certificate. Get the application form for the creative and talented accreditation certificate through the Dubai program for Gaming 2023's official application portal. That was a long name. Carefully fill out the application form with your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, nationality, and contact information. Provide a detailed summary of your experience in the gaming industry. Highlight key roles, projects, or achievements in areas like game development, content creation, or esports that showcase your skills and impact. Don't forget to share links to your professional social media profiles, gaming portfolios, or any online platforms where your work is displayed. Then, gather essential documents including a copy of your passport, a detailed CV highlighting gaming experience, a portfolio of past projects, and a cover letter explaining your contributions to the industry. And finally, review your application thoroughly to ensure accuracy. Then, submit this application for processing. The Dubai Culture and Arts Authority will carefully review your application and evaluate your qualifications, experience, and contributions to the gaming industry. If successful, you'll receive the Creative and Talented Accreditation Certificate directly via email. Save it and secure a copy. This certificate is essential because it confirms your eligibility and is a required document for your Dubai Gaming Visa application. Step 2, apply for the Dubai Gaming Visa. Once you receive your certificate, it is time to move on to the next step. You must ensure you have all necessary documents prepared. This may include a passport valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended entry date into Dubai. Prepare recent passport size photos. Documents showing you can support yourself in Dubai. You should provide bank statements or financial records demonstrating a minimum balance of 20,000 AED. It is approximately 5,500 US dollars to ensure you can sustain yourself during your stay. Next one, proof of residence in Dubai if you already have accommodation or a lease in Dubai. Moving on, you must submit your application through Dubai's visa portal or approved channels. How to do it? Log into Dubai's official visa application portal. If you're a first-time user, create an account on the portal to start the application process. Upload digital copies of your accreditation certificate, passport, photos, and other required documents. Then, fill out the visa application form with your personal details, contact information, and any other required information such as your intended duration of a stay, purpose of your visit and any existing ties to Dubai. Comes the money part. Pay the visa application fee. It's about 100 AED. You need to pay it online through the Dubai program for Gaming 2023's official application portal. Before finalizing, review every detail in the application to ensure accuracy, especially your contact details and passport information. Then submit. After submission, you'll be able to track your visa application status through the portal, so no need to worry. Processing times vary, but keep monitoring the portal for approvals or any required follow-up. Once approved, you can get your Dubai gaming visa in two ways. If you choose to collect it in person, you would need to be in Dubai to pick it up at the designated visa service center or government offices. This means that you might have to first enter Dubai on a tourist or entry permit and then complete the in-person collection process for your gaming visa once you are there inside Dubai. Alternatively, to avoid the need to enter Dubai before your visa collection, you can select digital delivery if it is offered to you. It allows you to receive your visa electronically before your arrival. Now, you can travel to Dubai immediately after you get your visa. Just make sure to print a copy of the digital visa or keep an electronic version accessible on your device for presentation to immigration authorities upon arrival in Dubai. Let me tell you the benefits of the Dubai gaming visa. The Dubai gaming visa provides a substantial 10-year residency. So, you'll have stability and a secure base in Dubai for both work and personal growth. This visa opens doors to Dubai's rapidly expanding gaming industry and related tech sectors. It gives you the chance to engage with a global network of gaming professionals, innovators, and investors. And finally, as a visa holder, you have the ability to sponsor your immediate family members and allow your spouse and children to join you in Dubai. And that was it. Hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. If you need guidance, no worries, use our free consultation services or contact our social media accounts. All links are in the description. Thank you all for watching.